Hello guys, today we are given that 15 times cot A is equals to 8. Alright, then we have to find out the value of sin A and sec A. Okay, so let us simplify this term first before we move on. We are given that cot A is equals to 8 by 15. That is, we know the value of one trigonometric ratio for the given angle. We have to find out the value of two other trigonometric ratios. Okay, so whenever you have to deal with these kind of questions, you first draw a right angle triangle. Alright. Okay, let us begin. Okay, moving on, I'm drawing the right angle triangle. Okay, so that it becomes easier for me to use these ratios. Suppose this is my angle A. Okay, then I'm given that cot of angle A is equals to 8 by 15. In this particular triangle, this is hypotenuse, and if this is the angle I'm considering, that is angle A, then this is going to be base, this is going to be perpendicular, and this is going to be hypotenuse. All right, it is given that the ratio of the base to perpendicular is 8 by 15. So I can assume that if my base is 8a, where a is an arbitrary constant, then the value of my perpendicular is going to be 15a. Okay, now what will be the value of hypotenuse? Okay, let us find out the value of hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. I'm going to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem states that the sum of a square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of squares of perpendicular and base. Okay, so this becomes hypotenuse square is h square, we do not know the value, and perpendicular square is 15a whole square plus base square, which is 8a whole square. Okay, I can say it becomes equals to 225 times a square plus 64a square. Okay, this becomes 289a square, or you can say hypotenuse is 17 times a. Okay, from here I know the value of my hypotenuse. Okay, now in this particular triangle I know the value of perpendicular base and hypotenuse. Okay, now so I can easily find out the value of trigonometric ratios. Okay, I have to find out sin A and sec A. All right, sin A is the ratio of perpendicular to hypotenuse. Perpendicular, we know that it is 15 times a, and my hypotenuse I have just found out it is 17 times a. So I can say the value of perpendicular to hypotenuse, or the value of sin A, is going to be 15 by 17. All right. Similarly, sec A is the ratio of hypotenuse to the base. Okay, hypotenuse is 17 times a, and my base is 8 times a. So I can say that the value of my sec A is going to be 17 by 8, and this is our final solution. Okay, thank you for watching the video.